Did you know that majority of the people that you watch their videos on YouTube, on television, read from a script? They are using a device known as teleprompter. The challenge here is that teleprompter may be very expensive for a lot of people. Because of this, in this video, I am going to show you how you can make your own teleprompter using free tools. Hello, my name is Pat from PrimeVoice Academy. If you are ready, let's get started. So the very first thing I am going to do is to open my Chrome, then go to ChatGPT. From ChatGPT, we are going to generate a script that we are going to read using a teleprompter. So I will tell ChatGPT to write a 5-minute YouTube script on how to invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner. Immediately I enter this prompt, I will then click on this up arrow and wait for ChatGPT to generate this script for me. So you can see ChatGPT has gone to work and it is currently generating our 5-minute script on how to invest on cryptocurrency as a beginner. So you can see here what is cryptocurrency. Is cryptocurrency safe? What you need to get started, choosing the right cryptocurrency, how to buy cryptocurrency, safety tips, and all of that. So you can see final words. After generating your scripts using ChatGPT, the next thing you will need to do is to copy them. So I'll highlight and then click copy. After copying this script, I will then go to MS Word document. So wait for Microsoft Word to load. Then we'll click on blank documents. When the environment is ready, we are going to paste our script. So I will click on paste. Here is our script. The next thing I will need to do is to format this script so that it will be easy to read. Because of that, I am going to add a lot of spaces. Now, after adding these spaces, the next thing I will do is to increase the font size. I will use Ctrl A to select all the text, then change the font size to something big, say 28. Let's try 28. Now that my text is big enough, there's one other thing that I will need to do so that I will get myself ready before I start reading. So I am going to type 3, 2, 1. Before I start reading, I want it to count 3, 2, 1. So I will center it in 3, 2, 1. Then I'll start reading. Okay. Then once I am done formatting my documents, remember I am just fast forwarding things. When you start to do your own, you will need to take your time and format it the way it will suit your reading speed. You may also want to remove some of these things so that they won't confuse you when you are reading. Okay, now the next thing I will do is to convert this document as PDF. How do I do that? I will go to File, Save As. Then first of all, let me save it. I'll be saving it in a desktop. I have a folder where I put my ready to use documents. So I will call it scripts or cryptocurrency scripts. Then I will first of all save it as normal Word documents. When it is saved as cryptocurrency scripts, I will then convert it to PDF. By going back to File, Save As, I'll be saving in the same location, but this time I will change the Save As type. it will no longer be Word document. So I will now choose PDF. Then click on Save button. So the document is now a PDF document. Now, the next thing I will need to do is to open that document. So I will go to the location where the file is located, is in this folder. I will open the folder, look for the file. Remember, is PDF, cryptocurrency scripts. So here is the file. I will open it using an application known as PDF Gear. PDF Gear is already my default application for opening PDF documents. In case it's not the same thing for you, you can just go and open your application, PDF Gear. PDF Gear is a free software. You can download it from online. Just go to Google and search for PDF Gear. I will also put the link in the description box below. Do not forget that I have done a complete video on how to use PDF Gear. You will also find the link in the description box below. So once you open the PDF Gear, you come to this place and open file. Now we are going to locate that file, cryptocurrency scripts. So this is the file. I will then click open. So here is it, okay? Now our file is ready. If you now want to use it as your teleprompter, all you will need to do is to come to this place where we'll have auto scroll, okay? Make sure that it is checked as continuous. Now you come to auto scroll button and decide the speed. So it can be 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me use 2 for instance, and then it will now scroll, okay? But this is very slow for me. I want something faster. So I will stop it. Remember, you can use the space button to stop it. So let me change it to 4. You can just click on this so that it will start scrolling, or you press the space bar. So if I click here now, it will start to scroll. So this is getting me ready in 3, 2, 1. You now start reading. Are you curious about cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? You have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even Dogecoin, but investing sounds confusing and risky. So this is all you will need to do to continue to do what? To continue to read your script. You will now have to do some adjustments if the space in there is too much or it is too close by. You do your adjustments. Another tip I will also like you to know is that you can place your camera at the bottom of this place, or you bring it at the top here. Maybe if you are using webcam, you make sure that the points at which you are reading is at the top here, okay? You can as well place the camera above the laptop or any device you are using to read. I hope you understand. Now, another thing I would like you to know is that if you look at this script, you see that is wide, is too wide. This may cause you to be looking left and right. So you may decide to change the wideness so that your eyes will be focused to the center. So if we go back to our script and change the left and right margin, maybe bring this here, also bring this side here. So at this time, everything is now at the center so that I will not be looking from left to right. I hope you understand. Now, if I save it again and also convert it to PDF, I'll be choosing PDF again, using the same name, or if I want, I can just add another version, okay? Now, let me go back to PDF Gear and open my new version. Here is our new version. Do you see it now? It is at the center. So once you click on auto scroll, it will count 3, 2, 1. Then, boom, you start reading. How cool is that? Please subscribe to my channel if you are getting value from this video. Also remember to drop your question in the comment section if you have any. Do not forget that I have a complete video where I taught how to use ChatGPT in 2025. The video link is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.